Hello and welcome. My name is Marc Blatstein, the physician founder of Physician Presentence Report Service. Today I'm going to review the reentry plan, and it's going to be divided into two YouTubes. So it's preparation for the pre-sentence interview because I like the reentry plans to also be written down and hopefully placed into your pre-sentence report. So the first part of the reentry plan is going to seem pretty difficult to a concept to undertake because you haven't even been found you've been found guilty, but you're at the beginning stages of your pre-sentence interview. But it's important, and so this is kind of how you can start it, or it's at least one way. And you can say that, and in your own words, that it's been a while since your investigation, your criminal charge, or your plea hearing, or if you've gone through a trial and you've been found guilty, you still can say that you've been through the investigation, the charge, and even the trial, and the pre-sentence investigation and report process. And you've had a lot of time to think, and you just didn't realize how bad all of the decisions throughout this period of your life, how bad they've been, how they've created the victims, and how bad this impact has been on the victims that you created. It's got to be in your own words, where you express remorse, accept responsibility, but you understand the pain and suffering that your victims are going through. And if possible, you want to, can bring into this that you maybe review the part of your life that brought to this moment, that caused you to do this. It's not providing excuses for what you've done, because there are none, and you want to agree with the court as far as your guilt, but you want to, this has to be a heartfelt explanation. And you can also bring into this, because it is at the very beginning, that you've read, and you can go to my website and see the First Step Back and all the programs that are offered. But a lot of this is addressing criminogenic needs, and you can write that you understand that part of the First Step Back programming and is to address the criminogenic needs that I have, that we have, and that you stakeholders, and that your case managers, and that the judge and the court and the victims are looking to see incremental improvements, and that you have a responsibility to your victims, to the community, to your family, and last, to yourself, to demonstrate that you're making these improvements. I hope you found this helpful. It is a bit short. I'm grateful that you've taken the time to listen. You can find some of my contact information at the bottom of the YouTube. If you choose to engage me, my consults are at no charge. More than willing to talk with anyone, but please find someone to help you through this process, because it's not anything that you want to just think that you can wing it and just write anything, because it's not. All of this goes into a pre-sentence report, which will follow you right into the courtroom with your judge and will affect you throughout your term of incarceration. I hope you found this helpful, and I appreciate you taking the time to listen out of your day. Have a good day.